If we choose Create New button, then we can see we have two options. We can create a waiting strategy for calls and for chat. In this course, I will show you how to create a waiting strategy for chat for the case when end users reach us via WhatsApp. We will select chat. Now we will rename this strategy to the Gizmo Galaxy WhatsApp. We will select a WhatsApp sender, enable the welcome message, and type in "Welcome to the Gizmo Galaxy customer support. Our agents will be with you soon." The process is the same on calls channel, where you can upload a file or use text-to-speech. We can also configure the announcement message that can update end users on progress or prepare them for the next step. If there is no response from the end users, then the contact center can repeat the message after some time. For the announcement message, we can say, "Dear Gizmo Galaxy customer, we appreciate your patience. Our team is working diligently to assist you. While you wait, please ensure that you have account details handy for a faster resolution once we connect. Best regards, Gizmo Galaxy team." Repeat interval differs based on the chosen channel. For purpose of this demo, where we use WhatsApp, we will put 4 minutes and repeat 2 times. As a reflection to calls configuration, again you can upload a file or use text-to-speech as an announcement. And additionally, configure a callback so that agents can call end users when they are available. And we can configure the maximum wait time, which informs end users when the conversation is over, since the maximum waiting time is reached, and suggest an alternative way to get in touch. Since we are located in the chats, we will say, "Dear Gizmo Galaxy customer, we apologize for the extended wait. To assist you promptly, please consider reaching us via online chat, visit our website for instant support, email, send us a message at support@gizmogalaxy.com. Thank you for understanding, best regards, Gizmo Galaxy team." And set the maximum wait time to 15 minutes. Same experience is when adding maximum time for calls with an option to upload a file or do text-to-speech. For calls, there is one specific option, which is the custom hold music, which provides better customer experience. The last thing to do is to click on Enable and Save button.